Hey, here's a cryptocurrency to keep on your radar. It's called CONFLUX CFX. It has been labeled as the Chinese MATIC, and it took me a second to understand why. Because CONFLUX is a layer one, it's a blockchain without barriers. They have certain technological advantages that they're really pushing, and that's all fine and well. But why is it would it be called Chinese MATIC? MATIC's a layer two built on Ethereum. Well, it's simply because of their partnerships. They're making major headways in ways that we really haven't seen in cryptocurrencies. And so, as far as growth potential for Conflux is concerned, there is a ton of potential, and especially, I just want to point out this news, and then we're going to take a look at a price predictions, just some price action real quick. But Chinese MATIC, Conflux up 150%. Dent follows it. Here's why. So Conflux, let me just read here. Conflux has seen a rise more than 150% following news of a partnership with China Telecom to issue blockchain-based SIM cards. Thus, the Conflux network has once again lived up to the name, quote, China's Polygon, aka MATIC, which is renowned for its partnerships with major corporations. If you're familiar with MATIC, I mean, they have a partnership with Disney. They have tons of things that it looks like a lot of institutional players are looking at MATIC as something that they're very interested in getting involved with, partnering. They like the tech, all that. And Conflux is that way with China. And this idea of a blockchain-based SIM card, that's pretty new to me. I don't think I've heard that before, but that has a ton of potential for this cryptocurrency and for crypto in general. And so, of course, yeah, it's up a lot as of right now. My number one rule, don't chase green candles, but read into Conflux, look at their volume, look at their partnerships, all of that. Look at their fundamentals. There's some certain things that are intriguing to me. Of course, they claim to be able to resolve the blockchain trilemma, scalability, decentralization, and security, but we'll see all about that. So we have a swing low to swing high the last week or so, last several days. This is a 4-hour chart. The last several days have been very good for Conflux. I have a fib from swing low to swing high, 4-hour chart. You can see that about 16 hours ago, Conflux peaked at about 17 cents. It is now down to 14.5 cents. Not surprising that we're seeing people take profits on that. Now, I am looking for entries in this in anticipation of a move higher. And I wouldn't be surprised if it bounced off the 702 fib, but I do have the 618 in mind because I do think, yeah, all right, we had explosive growth, insane volume. It's really good for Conflux. I think we need to cool off a little bit. Stochastic RSI needs to come back down to an oversold level, and same for MACD. You can see the MACD histogram has turned light green. Did have a dark green spike there, but now it's back to light green. I expect to see some light red on this, maybe even some dark red, and then we'll see another move higher. So I think that would take us down, especially looking at these moving averages here. Got to see the moving averages rise, but take us down to about the 618 fib level before bounce higher. So I am looking for entries at about 12.7 cents, maybe a little bit lower than that. Could see a wick there for sure, but I don't want to wait too much because I do think that there's potential for a next move. This is take profit zone number one. It is the monthly range high, the weekly range high at right under 20 cents. After that, take profit range 2 would be a little bit higher, not too much higher, maybe around a little over 25 cents. That is around the point where I would be looking to exit. Not entirely, pretty much entirely, and then reload at another price. So that's what I'm looking at. Of course, everything hinges on Bitcoin, but I do think that Bitcoin is gearing up for, if we see a breakthrough that 25.2 level, then we're getting into 28 pretty quickly, and I think Conflux is going to be one of those that benefits dramatically. There's a lot of room for Conflux to grow. It is the number 130 cryptocurrency in market cap, including stablecoins. And so it doesn't have an enormous market cap as of right now. Let me actually look up the market cap. 303 million. There are some concerns with vesting. It is about 40% vested right now, and the supply will increase over time. One more thing that I will look at, all-time chart in comparison to market cap. So you can see all-time. It did what everyone else did. Peaked in spring of 2021. But then market cap, yeah, I mean, you can see it tells a little bit of a different story, and that's because of the vesting schedules. So just keep that in mind. That's why I'm looking at short-term trades here, not long-term. There'd be a better time to load up on this cryptocurrency. But anyway, it's in anticipation of the next euphoria phase. But that is all I have for today. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Where do you have your eyes on for CONFLUX? Am I crazy for thinking that it's going to go that low to 12 cents, or is it CFX to the moon? Would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Like and subscribe in the meantime. Otherwise, I will see you in another video. Peace.